Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. With the craziness of the upcoming holiday season fast approaching, the meals I make during the middle of the week are a little bit more on the simple side, but that doesn't mean that they can't be just as delicious as a long-cooked meal. Just like this recipe I'm going to be doing today for a Southwestern Sloppy Joe. I've started off the recipe by heating up a skillet and adding in about 1 pound of ground beef. I'll also be adding in 1 cup of onion, 1/4 of a cup of celery, and 1/4 of a cup of bell pepper. Today I'm using a yellow one, but any bell pepper would do. After cooking for about 7 minutes, the meat has browned all the way through and the vegetables have started to soften up. I'll be adding 1 can of tomatoes with diced chilies into it, along with an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce and 1/4 of a cup of water. To add just a little bit of sweetness and kind of help balance out the heat from the chilies, I'll be adding in 4 teaspoons of packed brown sugar. And then for the seasonings, I have 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt and 1/2 of a teaspoon of cumin. Now that it's come up to a boil, I've turned the heat down to low and it's going to simmer for about 20 minutes or until the sauce starts to thicken up. Once the sauce had thickened up, I went ahead and heated up a hamburger bun and topped it off. Now all I have left to do is try it out. I'm very excited for this. I haven't had a Sloppy Joe in quite a long time. These turned out absolutely fantastic. There is a nice subtle heat from those tomatoes with chilies, and the cumin gives it a nice smokiness. It's not overly sweet from the brown sugar. In fact, I would say I barely noticed the sweetness. Overall, absolutely fantastic and something I will definitely be making again. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.